Hello everyone, this is MRCS Part A course orientation session. Simply, our course will be from this schedule, and simply from the schedule, you have day one. Day one, you will go to the website, attend the lecture. So you will log into redaharbycourses.com. Okay, so you will find Part A material on redaharbycourses.com. You will go to lectures, and then you will find your lecture in basics anatomy upper limb. Okay, once you finish this, you finished day one. Then day two. Day two will be simply on the drive. You will go to the drive. Okay, so you will go to your Google Drive. You will go to redaharbycourses.com. This drive should be shared with you as well as the website. Go to QBanks, find the basics, and then find upper limb and solve it. Then day three. Day three will be on Telegram group. So simply you will go to your Telegram group, and this is April group, and then you will find that the question posting will start like this: thorax and embryology question posting session. It will be around 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. UK, and then we will post the questions and you will solve. Okay, so what happened if I missed it? If you will miss it, you will go to this pinned messages here. As you see, this is the pinned messages. You click on the pinned messages. Here or there, you can multiple click to find all the sessions, or you simply go to this. This will return back you to the whole question posting session, and then you will find that this is the pinned messages, so you can click onto that and return back to the same session, or you can copy this and return back to the group and click search and search like that. And then you will find it here. So this is a neurosurgery question posting session. So it will be live question posting session. Day number 4, it will be Telegram quiz. Mainly, it will be on Telegram group. And if you missed it on Telegram, you will find it again on MOOCs on redaharbycourses.com website. So as you see here, you just, when the Telegram will start, it will be live, and you will just say, I am ready. And then you will find the flow of questions and you will solve the whole questions. If you missed the lecture, it will be available on the website. If you missed the quiz, it will be on the website. If you missed the Telegram question posting, it will be on your pinned messages here or there. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this, and keep going. Thank you so much. So as you see, this is the Telegram. Each question have 1 minute. Then you will just solve. This is question number 1 of 20, carcinoma lower third of the esophagus. So this is a known question that it will be on right side. And he is asking about surgeons mobilizing the lower part of the esophagus where most likely encounter the thoracic duct. Okay, so thoracic duct will be posterior to the esophagus. Okay, so that's correct. Okay, so you will keep going like that. And always ask me privately. The value of the course is the full guidance. So we are about 10 surgeons in the team. We will reply immediately after you ask me privately on the Telegram. Just go to Reda Harby Telegram and ask me. One of my team will answer, or I will be answer. If you need me, just ask them that you need Reda Harby, and I will answer you immediately. Thank you so much. Keep going, and you will enjoy definitely. Thank you.